In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom connection issues on Zoom Web. Whether you're dealing with frequent disconnects, stuck loading screens, or just a generally unreliable connection, these steps should help get you back on track. To start, you'll need to access Zoom's web application. Open your web browser and navigate to app.zoom.us. This is where you'll manage your meetings and settings, and it's an easy way to determine if your connection issues are web-based. Once you're on the website, look for the Sign In button. It typically appears in the top right corner of your screen, and clicking it will lead you to the login page. Once at the login page, you can sign in through your preferred method. For today, we'll walk through using a Google account. Go ahead and click the Google button to proceed with a Google login. Just make sure you're using the correct account that you normally use for Zoom meetings. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to select your Google account if you're not already signed in to one. If prompted, click on the Google account you wish to use, and this should bring you into the main interface of Zoom Web, provided everything is working as it should. If you find that you're having trouble connecting or experience unusual delays, a good first step is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. A strong Wi-Fi or data signal is crucial. Poor connectivity can cause Zoom to struggle, resulting in choppy audio or video. Consider refreshing your browser as another immediate action you can take. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve temporary glitches. If issues persist, restarting your computer or the Zoom app itself can also help realign connections. Another handy tip is to sign out and then sign back into your Zoom account. This can sometimes reset any lingering authentication issues that might be causing connection trouble. Once you've logged out, go ahead and sign back in using the previous steps. With these steps complete, try joining your meeting again. Be patient while it connects, and if all goes well, you should find a more stable connection. Additionally, consider keeping your Zoom app updated to the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes that can resolve connectivity issues. And there you have it. These steps should help you iron out any common connection woes you experience on Zoom Web. Just remember, a steady internet connection and up-to-date software are your allies. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful. If you have other troubleshooting topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know in the comments below.